Hi everyone. If you're having troubles with launching your games and your games are not launching, then I'll show you a few steps to fix your problem. First of all, run your game as administrator. The second step is to make sure that you go into properties and go under compatibility tab and make sure that this disable full screen optimization is turned on. All right. The third step is to make sure that any sort of overlays such as Discord, Steam, or any other overlays are turned off. The fourth step is to type game bar in your search tab and navigate to game bar settings. Then make sure that the first option is turned off. The fifth step is to make sure that your GPU drivers, in my case, I have NVIDIA, so you just go to your NVIDIA app and click on drivers, and you're gonna check for updates on the top right corner of the screen and make sure that you have the latest driver installed. Okay, so the last step is to make sure that your date and time is synced by Windows. So you right click your date and time, press adjust date and time, and make sure both of the first two options are ticked on. And you're gonna then press sync now, and then Windows will sync the time for you. So there you go, there you have it. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope this helped you. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you with the next one. Bye.